Hi, this is a tutorial for the Room Usage tool in Argos. The Room Usage Report, STU-RMU version 3, provides data on when rooms are in use, at what times, and by which classes. You can use this to generate your own room usage statistics or to see which rooms are being used efficiently. The Room Usage tool is located in the Instructional Services folder and then in the Instructional Services Reports subfolder. Clicking on the STU-RMU version 3 report will bring up the dashboard. You can search by term, campus, and room type. You can also set the search results to sort by various options. For this tutorial, we will look at the Fall 2019 term. We won't limit any other search items. Clicking on the Execute button will generate the results in the box below. All of the information is displayed. The real value is in the report that can be generated. Clicking on the Reports button, selecting the option, and then pressing Run will generate a PDF file that is easier to look through. Depending on the amount of information, this report can take a while to be created. The report is separated by room, with helpful information about each room at the top. The report also lists classes by days and times. This can help you find gaps in room usage or locate errant classes that have been assigned in less than ideal rooms. I hope you find this useful.